So as you can see, guys, I have finished my armhole with 1 by 1 ribbing, and I finished it with Italian bind off. And now I'll do the crochet edging for this armhole. So I have my yarn, 4mm crochet hook, scissors. So I need to find the center of my armhole, and I insert my needle right into the beginning of the ribbing. And also, I insert my needle only into this purl rows. So I do not touch the knit rows, I only insert my needle into this purl rows. Okay, let's get it started. So I have 4 rows of 1 by 1 ribbing, and I insert my hook right into the beginning of my ribbing. As you can see it on the wrong side. So I take my yarn, and this is what I do. So my next stitch will be here, just in the beginning of purl ribbing row. Next stitch will be also in the beginning of the purl row. Next stitch also in the beginning of purl row. Next stitch also in the beginning of the purl row. Next stitch in the beginning of the purl row. Next stitch in the beginning of the purl row. And I continue all the way around my armhole until all decorative stitches are done.